Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreath.
Well, another News Watch 12 weather cam and another look at just some beautiful, uninhibited blue skies. No clouds in the sky right now, and that's because we have high pressure over the area. High pressure means that active weather is just kind of not here, but that's going to change as we do have some systems working through the area this weekend, bringing us some much needed rainfall. But first, we got to get through today. Dry, cold, 32 degrees right now in Chiloquin, and we are still below freezing in a lot of our areas east of the Cascades. 22 degrees right now in Christmas Valley, 26 in Chemult, 30s and 40s throughout Siskiyou County. The same thing with the valleys of Jackson and Josephine County. A little bit more mild there along the coast, 52 degrees right now in Brookings. Let's plan out the rest of your Friday in the Rogue Valley, and there should be two big takeaways. Takeaway number one, just all the sunshine here on this graphic. There will be a lot of it. And takeaway number two should be the mild temperatures. We're finally going to make it above 50 degrees and well into the 50s, making it into the mid 50s. So mid 50s for the Rogue Valley today, the same thing for along the coast. A little bit chillier for sure on the east side and down throughout Siskiyou County, but this will feel like a warm 47, a warm 49 because again, we're going to have a lot of sunshine out there today. So being in those direct rays will make things feel a little bit warmer than what the air temperature would otherwise suggest. Now, for tonight, it's going to be another cold one. Thankfully, we're not going to be nearly as cold as what we were a couple nights ago, but still, I mean, 11 degrees, 12 degrees for Klamath Falls and Lakeview, respectively. Of course, no one's going to argue that that's warm. The same thing for the temperatures in the west side valleys, and the same thing for the temperatures that we're expecting tonight along the coast. Now, something you will notice is that we put this little breezy icon there. The winds will pick up along the coast and some of the clouds will start to increase inland. Well, what's all that about? Well, I'm about to tell you because on Stormcast, we'll time out our next chance at rain. This is 8:30 in the morning and you can see those clouds on the west side. And by the time we get to lunchtime, a lot of this rain is starting to intrude into Curry County, into Josephine County. So that's why I keep saying if you have any outdoor plans this weekend, specifically on Saturday, that is, the earlier the better, because all of this will start to spread inland throughout the course of the evening, going into the overnight hours, and then early on Sunday we'll still have some residual rain showers left over. If you plan on going to the coast this weekend, again, this would probably be a good weekend to keep things indoors, but we will have some showers for Saturday and for Sunday, but this is much needed. I don't hear anyone complaining about this at all. We desperately need the rain. That's been underscored here several times. And look at this, ask and ye shall receive. We're going to receive a lot of rainfall over the coming days as we could have multiple atmospheric rivers working through the area, and we're going to get a lot more mild as we go into next week, so those snow levels will raise up. But Sunday morning, we could have some snow in elevations above 3,000 feet, so that's why some past conditions could be a little bit slick on Sunday morning. Here's your 7-day forecast along the coast. Very pleasant, very blue today, and then really our weather takes a complete 180 starting on Saturday, primarily Saturday afternoon going into Sunday, as again we could have several atmospheric rivers working through the area. This will be very beneficial in Siskiyou County where we have an extreme drought, especially in southwestern Siskiyou County, and then for the basin an exceptional drought there, and we will get an exceptional amount of rainfall, it looks like, if this forecast verifies. Of course, we are certainly hoping it pans out because we need all the rain we can get, all the snow we can get up in the mountains, even though snow levels are looking a little bit higher. So I don't know how much we could realistically add on to that snowpack. Stay tuned for that. And then for the Rogue Valley, just given that we had that extreme drought expanded into northern Jackson County, I know all of this rain will definitely start to cut into that a little bit. And certainly we need more events like this one.
Yeah, and just kind of an ongoing theme with our weather right now is we'll take what we can get.
Yeah, and you know, this is nice, and if we can get several more weeks that look like this, we're going to be in a good place.
Okay, well that's good news. That's really great news for Friday. Thanks, Josh.
Of course.